Hello everyone, and we're running into Christmas at 100 miles an hour. Today I want to show you a gravel axe with whiskey and fresh oranges. Come over, let me show you how to do it. Start with the finest, bestest salmon you can get from your munger. And then what we do, we pack it with rock salt and sugar, half equal quantities, all round it, all over it, and then you just let it marinate.
In all your crazy ways, I miss you more right now. It must be these holidays.
On to the next step, take fresh oranges and then we're going to slice them slowly, lay straight across the salmon, and then some beautiful whiskey splashed right across the top. On to our next step, wrap up, place in a refrigerator for 2 days, 48 hours, and let that cure even more. Take out the fridge, unwrap, put under the sink and wash off all the excess salt and sugar. Some super fresh dill, smells beautiful. Take your side of salmon and then chop this dill, pack it hard onto the salmon.
Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here.
How easy was that? Our festive, lovely salmon is ready to go. Next step is going to be a beautiful Scandinavian sauce which features English mustard, sugar, oil, white wine vinegar, all put together in a bowl. The sugar cuts through the saltiness of the salmon, a perfect end and a perfect marriage for that salmon. So there you have it, our glorious gravel axe. Cheers to all of you. This year we're not sending you cards, all the money's going straight to our charity, Heads Together. Listen, have a great Christmas, a great New Year's, and cheers. Cheers, guys.
To be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.